And I said, you have grown up and were raised in a dysregulated home. You have been in emotional dysregulation since the moment you were born. You never stood a chance to understand what it is to be regulated. And I said, and I also understand from the guides that you don't know what emotional dysregulation means, and that you don't really even understand what regulation means, other than that that being regulated in society means that there's a law.
Really? My head went to poop.
Oh,
If I am regulated, there's a predictability, there's a pattern, it's healthy, things are moving the way that they're supposed to, right? Like,
yes, that's so good,
interesting.
Kelly.
Those the laws of my body.
That's so good.
And then when you're dysregulated, your texture can be inconsistent.
Yes.
Or the timing can be inconsistent. There's an unpredictability to it.
Yeah.
There's less probability that you
It
can
creates
predict.
mess.
Yeah.
I love this.
I think poo is a great way to explain to someone emotional regulation and dysregulation.
I do too. That's
Look,
brilliant.
you're constipated. Look, you got diarrhea, man.
Yeah, exactly. You're being messy. You're being stuck in something. You're not releasing. It's so good.
Yeah, because it goes into the psychological terms of being anal expulsive or anal retentive.
Yeah, it does.
Right? And that also explains regulation or lack of.
I love it. So that conversation happened here between you and I for a podcast about poop. It did not happen in Sean's session, to be clear. Okay, good. I just explained in a very boring kind of way.
Your life will never be the same. You're welcome.
And I will forever use your explanation in sessions.